Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kashan. I am from Jodhpur. Today, my word is keep. Keep away, keep a promise, keep a secret. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Munta and I study in class 1. My word is get. Get a job, get together, get lost, and get a permission. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Arya and I study in class 1. Today, my word is take. I can make a lot of sentences with take, like take responsibility, take a nap, take notes, take class, and take a picture. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Mona and I am in 4. Today my word is make. I can make very sentences to make. Make a toy, make a mistake, make a money, make a breakfast, make a noise, and make a wish. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Nara. I am from class 4. Today I am going to present my word is have a soup, have a rest, have a lunch, have a start. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Ajimula. Today I will tell you about the word give. Give a, you give a and give a call.